In this video, we'll review the Instances tab. The Instances tab shows information about the monitored instances, in this case JVMs and .NET application pool. At the top part of the screen we see a table where we can choose between end-to-end summary, information about the instances, or a specific instance. End-to-end summary shows us information about end-to-end transactions. All instances shows us information coming from transaction segments. Choosing a specific instance gives us information from transaction segments specifically for that instance. The table shows us information about instance, server, server response time, transactions, violation percentage, exceptions, and memory usage. You can filter on a specific instance, search for a specific instance, or right-click and choose one of the options. Filter by the instance, search for the instance, show violation details, exception details, or a histogram for that instance. As you change your selection on the top table, the bottom part of the screen changes to reflect your selection. It is highly recommended that you click or right-click on the specific cards to see what options are available. On the bottom part of the screen you have your application map, where you can double-click and filter, or right-click and choose one of these options, filter, search, or select in the application map. You have your instance delay where you can change your display, or right-click and search for that component or show additional information. You have server response time where you can change between category or category without remote calls. Server delays where you can choose method SQL or by package with or without remote calls. You have transactions, violations, top transactions where you can search for that specific transaction. You have top servers where you can change the sorting. You have memory overview, true plot, exceptions, CPU usage, memory usage, I/O, and threads. And you can interact with the different cards. This tab is very useful when you need to investigate a problem that exists in a specific instance. If you have specific instance with poor server response time, or violation percentage, or exception, you can isolate it and continue investigating. You can see if the issue is because of CPU, or memory, or I/O. And in any case, you can isolate a time frame and continue investigation. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.